Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick video on reviews today. I have a couple of clients who are kind of struggling with the idea and getting things implemented the way they want, and I realized it's best to have some kind of formal conversation about this and have it documented so it's easier for everyone to understand what they're supposed to be doing. So reviews. At their core, this is just social proof. This is other people telling you this product is good. Most people seem to want to get this pop-up in the bottom of their screen that says, John M. from Connecticut just bought this product. Doesn't work. That's not good social proof. That doesn't work the way it used to. However, reviews, because of their nature, they seem to be a third-party, unbiased conversation, and they're posted onto your website, so it's easy for people to look at. It's not you putting them there, it's other people putting them there to give the, I guess, virtual thumbs up, thumbs down. So even if you do make them yourself, it's still a better look than the pop-up on the website. So before I get into the training, I wanted to remind everyone to subscribe to the channel. I do a video every single day on advertising, marketing, dropshipping, and Shopify. I do this absolutely free of charge. I also host a live call once a week on Thursday evenings for our Facebook group where I give away a 1-hour consulting call. We go over absolutely everything on your website, your advertising, whatever you want. It's all about you. So I give away one of those every call, and every week we go over a different concept. I do this free of charge. I do this because when I started out, I remember the trainings. They were like $1,000, $5,000, mentorships for $10,000. It gets so expensive, and you haven't even started. But they promise you the world, and you're like, yes, this is great. Maybe I can afford this. And you save up, and you get the training, and it's kind of lackluster. It's outdated. It's 2 years old. Nothing looks the same on the dashboard anymore. And you're asking yourself, why did I pay this money? So I'm giving you free, updated trainings. I'm going to be adding trainings for every single platform as we grow. So please do give us a subscribe. Come on over to the Facebook channel, find me. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoy it. So as promised, I said that we were going to talk about reviews today. And again, reviews, just a social proof thing. So I pulled up 3 different examples, and I want to talk about them because each of these has reviews, but each of them are a little bit different. So let's go. This is the premium rechargeable pet nail grinder, dog nail clippers, painless USB electric cat paws, nail cutter, groomer trimming file. Real quick, this isn't supposed to be a product video. Your title should be short. This is a great title if you're selling on Amazon or eBay, not on your own website. Short, sweet, to the point. Pet nail file. Okay, another one, ships from China. Don't do that. Don't have ships from China, United States, United Kingdom. Just, you can do that manually. So if your bulk is from the United States, you can ship from the United States. Don't show them different options. Get rid of this entire ships from. Go into your Shopify backend, go to the product, go down to the variant options, edit options, and remove ships from. Don't do this. And there, I was just talking about this. Don't do the pop-up on the bottom left saying, oh, Roberto in Miami just bought this surgical mask. Oh, coronavirus. Okay, so we have 12 reviews here. They're all 5-star. And MO says, good product, review, received very fast, recommend. Just super. The parcel was not long before Tayum in 2 weeks. The quality of the claws is very good, works quietly, then does not scare dogs. I recommend the seller politely and sympathetically answers the messages. I'm delighted, thank you. That doesn't give you that trust. That's obviously not a very good review. Just having reviews with photos is not good. They have to be quality reviews. So let's go to the next one. This one here, I love this product. This product's page is pretty cool. It's a little extra urgency you don't need in there, but 42 reviews. So let's scroll down to the reviews. So 42 reviews, and these were amazing reviews. And I read the first one, like, okay, not bad, no punctuation, no big deal. And the second one, finally, and then broken characters. I'm like, oh, no, you had such a promising website. I wanted to show this as the good website. Don't have broken characters. This shows that you're importing the reviews. That's not a problem, but they're not natural because something's going wrong in the import process. So if you're getting these broken characters, fix it. Do whatever you got to do, fix it. Because it takes away from the value of these reviews. Because all I'm paying attention to is the broken... this is supposed to be an apostrophe, and it's an A with the caret, a euro, and trademark. It just takes away from the amazing work that these people did. So let's talk about an actual brand, Chewy.com. They've got 445 reviews on this product, and they're all natural reviews. These aren't uploaded by the company, at least to the best of my knowledge, and these are uploaded by customers. Because look, I mean, we even have dogs wearing the harnesses. One thing I want you to pay attention to is there are 5-star reviews, and then 4-star reviews, and 3 and 2 and 1-star reviews. And it kind of goes in a little, it looks like a sideways J. The tall part, and then down to this part right here where it curls up a little bit. All 5-star reviews? All 5-star reviews? We have an internal bullshit detector that is just going off saying there's no way 100% of the customers like this product. When we see very good, average, poor, and terrible, we tend to think that the people who are saying it is excellent are actually giving us the best, most reasonable review. And there's always, you're never going to please 100% of people. Let's be honest, in business, you're going to upset people. Even doing your best, people will not be happy with you sometimes. It happens. Don't take it personally. But you're going to get some terrible reviews. Have some terrible reviews. It's not going to be the end of the world. Have that little J distribution, so it's like here and then down and then up. And you have a couple of poor, a couple of average, 5 or 6 very good, 4 or 5 terrible, and like 30 excellent. And remember, people understand that if you have a bad experience, you're like 10 times more likely to talk about the bad experience than the good. So when they see all the excellent and a couple of like very poor, and the best part is the terrible reviews, you can curate them and make them say whatever you want. The package showed up and it was damaged, and they it took another month to get a replacement or whatever. You can make this however you want. I know that you shouldn't lie to your customers, but the review section, you're importing reviews. If you want to make a negative review on yourself, do it. You just add that extra layer of trust. So when doing reviews, a couple things to remember. It has to have some photos. Adds to the legitimacy. Has to be in whatever language you use. So if you're a French website, has to be in good French. If you're an English website, has to be in good English. No broken characters. And sprinkle in some 4, 3, 2, and even 1-star reviews. So that is all for this one. Please do, if this video helped you at all, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Come and find me on Facebook, Instagram. Ask me questions in the comments. And I look forward to helping you out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.